Ready to start building a website? Let's begin by following these 5 essential steps. First, look for a platform that offers you flexibility. Take WordPress. It's a powerful open source platform with virtually limitless possibilities for customization. A web host is your website's home on the web. It provides space for your site's files, images, and code. For most small business owners, shared web hosting is the most cost-effective way to go. Your domain name is your site's online address and how people find you. Choose one that is unique and recognizable, short and easy to pronounce. You'll need to pick an extension too. There's .com, .net, .org, and more. For a custom look, choose from hundreds of pre-designed WordPress themes. Plus, there are thousands of WordPress plugins for added functionality, like WooCommerce for online shops, Jetpack for security and performance, and Yoast for SEO. Lastly, it's time to start adding text, images, and other media to your site. Keep your audience interested with engaging content and guide them towards a desired action. And for a little extra personality, add a blog. Blogs make it easy to share ideas, develop a brand, and drive traffic. There you have it, 5 essential steps to get you building, get you designing, and get you publishing your new website. To learn more and dive deeper into a specific topic, download the Beginner's Guide to WordPress from our Blueprint series.